Good morning. This is Kay with Tonic Therapy Institute and my little helper Dance and Danny here. Today we want to share how to find bladder 10. Now this is the other name for this is celestial pillar. And it makes sense. It is what sits right behind the brain on the top of the spinal cord. And so it's sitting on top of our pillar, the spinal cord. And to find this, it's really a very simple point to find. You come right back here behind the skull, and it's on either side of the spinal cord, right behind the wing of the first vertebra, the axoatlantal junction. Okay, it doesn't matter. The dog can be sitting up, standing down, standing up. Just come in here, and we're going to light up on either side of the spinal cord to find that little divot. Now, this is a really amazing point for a lot of reasons. Okay. It's an important point for head and neck and shoulder, of course. This is where we get tight right there, right behind our skull. When we've got a tight neck or we're holding too much tension, that's a really powerful place that we hold on to it. This is a great point for headaches, for releasing range of motion in the head and neck. Also, it is one of it's where the vagal nerve comes out of the spinal cord, above the spinal cord, right at the base of the brain. Well, that is one of our parasympathetic nerves. So this is a very important point for helping to shift the body into a parasympathetic state, or rest and digest. We can't heal chronic issues and anything that's been going on for a long time. We'll get stuck in a sympathetic state of fight or flight. So everything triggers us. We're always in pain. We can trigger the body to go into a rest and digest state. We can get past it much quicker. We sleep better. The dog sleeps better. We lower pain levels. So this is a really great point. Bladder 10, also known as celestial pillar. All right. Also really good vision. It's an important eye point. All right. It's an important, anything having to do with parasympathetic, it's going to help support digestion, breathing, the things that we do unconsciously, all right? The nerves that take care of us and help us with all the functions that we need every day without thought, all right? So bladder 10, on us, it's really simple to find. You just come down to the base of the brain, and it's that spot that gets so sore right there under the base of the brain on either side of the spinal cord. Be careful using too much pressure. It can sometimes be very sore, which is one of the reasons lights are so good for helping with it. Now, if you want to know more about using light, we of course have classes. We have our pet education and torch bundle available at lighttherapytools.com. But if you'd really like to know more about how we use all sorts of light therapy for animals, join our upcoming summit, January 16th and 17th. We have 2 days, absolutely free, online. It's light therapy for animals. If you go to the photonictherapyinstitute.com website, you can register from right there. And for only $50, you can get a ticket that's good to watch for the whole year. We have veterinarians, researchers, practitioners, manufacturers, and just dog lovers that have seen remarkable changes for their animals by them using lights, dogs and horses. So we hope you'll join us. That's the Light Therapy for Animals Summit, January 16th and 17th. Thanks so much.